Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LUT packs from Adobe Premiere, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall LUT packs from Adobe Premiere, start by launching the application on your computer. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Project Settings. In the Project Settings window, choose General. Now, look for the LUT section in the settings. Click on the Browse button next to it. A File Explorer window will open, displaying the LUTs currently installed. Locate the LUT pack you wish to uninstall from the list. Once you've found it, right-click on the LUT pack file. Select Delete or Remove from the context. Confirm the deletion if prompted, ensuring that you want to proceed. Next, close the Project Settings window. To fully remove the LUT pack, navigate to your computer's file system. Open the folder where the LUT packs are stored. This is typically found in Documents under Adobe and then Premiere Pro. Locate the specific folder for the version you are using. Inside this folder, find the LUTs directory. Open this directory to view all installed LUTs. Right-click on the LUT pack you wish to remove. Select Delete to uninstall it completely from your system. Once deleted, close all File Explorer windows. Finally, restart Adobe Premiere to ensure changes take effect. Your selected LUT pack should now be fully uninstalled and no longer available in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.